So here we will be looking at one of the practical skills that Cambridge like to work at, which is calculating size and magnification. This in the book here is in section 3.4, and it's something that Cambridge spends a lot of time on, both here in marine science, but also on IGCSE and AS level biology. So it's a good skill to know how to do. As always, everything here is non-profit. It's made for my class, and any errors are mine and mine alone, but if anyone can use it, you're more than welcome to. So Cambridge like to know that you can do the math behind calculation and magnification. And the important thing is, of course, to remember your units. It's quite important what units you're working in, and make sure you know if it's meters, centimeters, millimeters, and so on. And converting behind the units are standard math. I'm not going to spend a lot of time teaching you how to do that. But you will be asked in the test to measure things. So as a rule, please bring a ruler, and bring a good ruler, because they want you to measure within 1 millimeter of accuracy. So magnification is image size divided by the actual size. So if we have an image size where we have the size of a small shrimp being 20 millimeters, and we know the actual size is 2 millimeter, then the magnification is 20 divided by 2. It is a factor 10 magnification. Always, in this case here, make sure that both the image and the actual size are in the same unit, otherwise you are in trouble. Actual size is image size divided by magnification. So if I have an image size that is 40 millimeters and the magnification is 100, then the actual size will be 40 divided by 100, which is 0.4, and then I must remember the unit, millimeters. And this is the classic triangle that Cambridge love to use, and it's a good way to remember it. If this in any way can help you in your studies, how to remember how to calculate the different things here. So they're probably going to ask about it in the test, so memorize this one. So here we have an example from an old biology paper, but the principles are the same. And we can see that we are asked just to measure the length. Be aware that Cambridge wants this measurement to be accurate, so you need to bring a ruler, and you need that ruler to be accurate, and you need to know how to read the measurement on your ruler, and then you get the points. It's not harder than that. So here I have measured the length PQ and found it to be 109 millimeters. Then I need to calculate the actual diameter, and then I know my magnification and know the length, but I don't know the actual diameter of the caret root cross section. I know from the former slide that the magnification was 6. So in this case here, I have chosen to do it classical math style. So 6 divided by 109 is my actual diameter. So I multiply with 6 on both sides, so 6x is 109. Then I divide by 6 on both sides, which gives me then an x of 18, which is then the actual diameter, and I then remember my unit, which is millimeter, and then I get all the points in the exercise. This is how you do it.